How to create a transparent header on Wix. So I have in here my header and its background is black. So I'll just need to click on that right here. And then from in there, just click on this change header design. And then we have in here this fill color and opacity. So just click on this right here. Now for this one, we just need to set opacity to 0. Now doing this will not actually do anything to black. However, if you do this to another color, like for example, pink, and you change the fill opacity to actually 0, it will change this into black, which is not the ideal one. This is because when you change the opacity and you try to make it transparent, it will not actually do anything. This is because the Wix actually doesn't support the transparent background that they have right here. So it will only reflect the black background it have overall. So that's how you create a transparent header on Wix. Hope we helped.